Hello, I'm Michael Atwood. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a Philips Hue dimmer switch. There are different kinds, and basically it's the same for any device, whether it's a plug, a lamp, an Eclipse color and white light, outdoor fixtures already installed, it's empty, or the bridge and smart light package that was purchased originally for her, and light strips, ambient for your computer, or for ambient lighting around your cabinets, theater area, or whatever use. So the first thing you want to do is enter the app. After entering the app, there's a couple different ways to do it. I'm going to show you both. You go up, select the three dots, and you add device. For this case, you could scan the QR code, and since I'm using my phone mirror, I don't have the ability to, so I use the no QR code. I go back, no QR code. I simply read the directions. In this case, we're installing the Hue dimmer light. Select that. It has the Hue button on the bottom, so we're with the Hue switch. You press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. An orange blinking light appears, and it's in pairing mode, and your bridge is searching for it. You select next. And now's the time to tell the switch what you want it to do. I want it to control the outdoor lights for her, and that's what we have outside right now is 2 floodlights with cameras and a wall lantern. It's always important when you're doing configurations to name it, but to also enable it to shut the lights off. I'm going to do this 2 different ways. The first route, I'm not going to save it, and I'm going to double back and do it a different way. Dim up increases the intensity of the scene, whether it's concentration or a colorful outlook that you selected earlier. Dim down decreases it. And the Hue button. The Hue button you can set up for automations, or you can have it cycle through scenes. For this case, we're gonna set it for a sleep timer. It's already a setup automation, and basically when you want the lights to turn on for somebody leaving the house, they'll turn on for 15 minutes, giving them a chance to get in and out of their car, and it will shut off 15 minutes later because you don't want to waste energy. Overall, being more efficient. The cool thing is about the Hue Bridge Pro, it can control over 150 switches and or 50 plus accessories. Now I'm doubling back. I didn't save it, and I'm gonna double back, enter the front porch and driveway, select the Hue switch dimmer, rename it because I didn't save it, and this time I think I'll name it outside switch. I should have said outside Hue switch. It's important to also name the devices or label them, because if you have multiple sections or zones, then they're portable, so you do that. I also go ahead and I label where they're supposed to be, outside with the outside. We set one up for her basement, her living room, and her dining room. Like I said, it's all the same. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at matwood2 at kent.edu or mratwood85 at gmail.com. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.